You can't make this crap.
We are now slowing down. We slow down so the other tram car can go over the highest tower. When they slow down, we slow down. When they speed up, we'll speed back up. And if they should happen to fall, we pray real hard, real fast. If you look up ahead to your right, you'll see the other tram car coming. When it passes us by, we'll be halfway. We are slightly lower because we got more people.
Hope we don't run into each other.
We are now entering Satellite Village. There are over 1,000 homes on top of these mountains. 85% of what you see and don't see are rental. The other 15% are owned by the locals. The local population of Gatlinburg is around 3,600. On any built up on the mountain. We can see that boulder is only 1/10 its actual size. If you look straight across on your left-hand side, that white house in the woods with the 2 big triangle roofs on top, those roofs are made out of airplane wings supplied by Delta Airlines.
That's cool.
If you look up ahead to your right, that creamy white colored house is the doll house. They call it the doll house because it looks like the Barbie doll dream house. That little one in front with the green roof is Ken's house out there at the board.
Oh, that one.
Oh, that is awesome.
For that. Oh my god.
We are now climbing our highest tower, tower number 5, also known as the Tower of Fear. It is 2,800 feet above sea level, 1,500 feet above Gatlinburg, 300 feet off the ground.
My ears are popping.
Mine are too. This tower called real rock harder than it has on any other tower, so you might want to hold on. But you look out these front windows, you can see the sky and the road.
I would do something like that. To show my house on. Big cars. Look on the red side.
It's over again.
That's a million stories.
We're going down. Ready? It's like
only 15% owned by
Oh god, bad? No, that's no big deal. Okay. Yeah, I know we just left Bubba Gump's, but I don't know Forrest Gump ran a tram.
Best tram ride ever.
What? What'd you say?
Best tram ride ever. Tram, whatever this is.
Is this the tower right here? Is this Tower 5?
Tower 6. This is the tower of sort of awesomeness.
Oh, this one's kind of fast. Wow. Oh. Nah. Weak. Oh, swinging. Just a swinging.
That's the water you do not want to.
If you look out your left-hand side, you see the black bear habitat.
Sorry, look, I think that bird's dead. That one's dead too.
Swing up, man! You'll bump aside a little bit, that's normal. That mark on the back of your hand, you go for today and tomorrow. At any time that you like for free. Last tram up is 6:20, last one down is 7:20. We're on a 20-minute schedule, top of the hour, 20 after, 22.